Have you been trying to make soya milk, but each time you try, you don't always get it right? Don't worry, because I've also been in that shoe. Today, I'm going to share with you the best and easy way to make your soya milk at home. Whether you want to make it for commercial purposes or for personal consumption, this method I'm about to show you will make your soya milk so creamy, like you can see in this video, and make your soya milk to last for days. Like when I mean days, for days without going bad. So kindly stay tuned. Let's do this together. To make the best soya milk, you have to clean your soya beans very well. Can you see the amount of dirt I got out of these soya beans? And the next thing we want to do is to measure our soya beans. Yes, I want the measurement of these soya beans to be accurate. You know, in case you want to do this as business, just follow this recipe. So that cup is 800 grams, okay, and this is the 400 grams. So I have measured two 800 grams and one 400 gram. Each in total is 200 gram, okay. So in case you don't have cup to measure and you want to measure in grams, you measure 200 grams. All right. And the next thing we want to do is to rinse the soya beans. Ensure to rinse it until the water runs clean, like you are just seeing in this video. I'm going to rinse this about 2 to 3 times before soaking it. I'm going to soak it overnight. After rinsing it like this, I will soak it till the next day. All right, that is the same way you are going to do your own. If today is your first time of coming across my video, I welcome you to Benninice Kitchen. Kindly like my video, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. This is the next day and the beans is soaked. I never knew that my camera was not recording as at the time I was rinsing the beans. I didn't peel the skin. I just rinse it several times until the water runs clean. Then I put it in the pot to parboil. Okay, so when you see it boiling like this, bringing out foam, you know that your soya beans is ready to be blended. All right, so right now I will just off the gas, then remove this water, clean it again, add another water to refresh it. Then when it's properly cool, I will start blending it. Okay, I would like you not to skip any part of this video so that you will follow the step by step on how to make these soya beans. If you want to make the best soya beans, kindly follow the exact step that I followed in this video so that your own will also come out nice like mine did. Okay, so right now I will start blending it. Like I said before, just add some in your blender, add water and blend. But if you don't have a blender that can do this for you, just take it to commercial engine and make sure they blend it well and the engine is very clean. So guys, I'm done blending it, and the next thing is to sieve, and this is where the major work is, guys. So you need to take out your time to do this very well. Okay, this very quantity I put in this chiffon bag is actually too much, because it will take a longer time to get the milk out of the chiffon bag. So I switched to a smaller chiffon bag. Then I started adding it gradually like this, just little by little. Okay, this is the same way you would do yours. By this time I was done sieving. Okay, and I'm going to receive it twice to be sure that all the chaff is out of the soya milk. Okay, so I'm sieving it into the pot I will use to boil it. Can you see how thick this milk is? This is how your own should also be. If you are watching up to this level and you have not subscribed to my channel, you have not liked my video, comment or share, please kindly do so. Subscribe to this channel, like my video, and comment in the comment section. I want to see your comment in the comment section. Okay, so guys, I've put it on fire. You can cover it when the milk has not started boiling, then you open it when it is boiling so that you will not have your milk spill over. Although mine did, because I just left it for some minutes to collect something and the thing just spill over. But never mind, as you continue to boil it, you will be seeing all these cloths on top. Then you remove. Can you see? This is a sign that your milk is cooking very, very well. So if you notice that your milk is cooking, some people turn it off at this point, but I did turn my off because I want it to cook very, very well, because I know the stress I went through in my first production that went bad. So I wouldn't want that to repeat itself again. I took my time to make sure the milk is properly cooked. Okay, follow this recipe and I will assure you that you will not go wrong with it. Okay, so now let's talk about how much it cost me to buy that 2.5 derica of soya beans, equivalent to 200 grams. Okay, I bought that for 2,000 naira. Okay, and at the end of the day, I will want you to quantify it to see if I'm to sell this milk, if I'm making profit or loss. To me, I know that I will make a lot of profit from it, because each of that bottle will cost not less than 500 naira. So can you see that making soya milk is very profitable? Even though it's stressful, but it is profitable. I can tell that for a fact. So now you just saw the chaff I removed from the soya beans, and I'm sieving it for the second time. This is to make sure that the milk is very smooth. Okay, you need your soya milk to be very smooth. Okay, so at this time, if you notice that it's too thick, you can add water to it. But since we are having this at home, I didn't need to add any water at all to loosen it, because it's perfect like this. Okay, so I will just go ahead and sweeten this with sugar. You can sweeten it with anything you want, whether dates, anything you feel like sweetening it with, or you decide to leave it like this. It's just your choice. Okay, but I need this to be sweet because my children will be taking from it. The joy in my heart, guys, no bad, because this soya milk came out so nice. So guys, I'm going to be adding cocoa powder to some part of this soya milk, because it is requested by my odoguns, that is my children. Yes, so I will mix this together properly. Then to this I will be adding food color, which is color red or pink, although it wasn't much, so I just add it like that. Although the pink did come out so much, but it's still very fine. Then the next one I'll be doing is to add vanilla to the white one. Okay, so I'll just give that a mix. I want to know, did you get value from this video? If you got value from this video, kindly let me know in the comment section. Like this video, comment and share this video to your family and friends, because I know that there are people out there wanting to make soya milk in a proper way. Okay, share it. This is the chocolate one, and it is time to bottle, and we are bottling this. Okay, do you like what you are seeing? Kindly let me know in the comment section. For you out there that want to do soya milk as your business, all you need to do is to try it with this quantity I just used. Try it out and see how it will come out for you. But I assure you that if you follow this recipe, you will not go wrong with it. Get a good bottle, just like you are seeing in this video. Bottle it nicely, label it. With this method I use to produce this soya milk, it can last you for 5 days, 1 week, and even 2 weeks in your fridge. Okay, just keep them in your fridge and it will last you. Just imagine the amount of soya milk I got with just 2,000 naira soya beans. Can you see this? Isn't this profitable? So if you want to do this as your business, I believe you will succeed in it. Okay, just bottle it and keep in your fridge. And if you want to serve this with ice, just go ahead and do so, because this soya milk is so creamy. Look at this now, it's so creamy and beautiful, and it is healthy and nutritious. Okay, I believe you will choose this option. I believe you will watch this video to the end and replicate this recipe. It's so nice. We have chocolate, we have vanilla, and we have pink. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, if you will be making this or not, if you got value from this recipe or not. I will see you in my next video. Stay connected. Bye.